Hello everyone, and welcome back to NutriVibe. Top 7 Diabetes-Friendly Foods that help control blood sugar naturally. Did you know that the foods you eat every day can help keep your blood sugar more stable? In this video, you'll discover 7 diabetes-friendly foods that can support healthy blood sugar levels and improve your overall health. Healthy eating is one of the most effective ways to manage diabetes. Let's explore the best foods to include in your diet. Number 1. Oats. Oats are rich in soluble fiber, which slows down digestion and helps prevent sudden spikes in blood sugar. Number 2. Leafy greens. Spinach, kale, and other leafy greens are low in carbohydrates and packed with vitamins and minerals. Number 3. Berries. Blueberries, strawberries, and raspberries are high in antioxidants and fiber while being lower in sugar than many other fruits. Number 4. Nuts. Almonds and walnuts provide healthy fats, protein, and fiber that help keep you feeling full and support stable blood sugar. Number 5. Avocados. Avocados contain healthy fats and fiber, making them a great choice for balanced meals. Number 6. Fatty fish. Salmon and mackerel are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which support heart health, especially important for people with diabetes. Number 7. Beans and lentils. These foods are high in fiber and plant protein, helping to slow the absorption of sugar into the bloodstream. Remember, no single food can cure diabetes. A balanced diet, regular exercise, and following your healthcare provider's advice are the best ways to manage blood sugar. If you found this video helpful, like, subscribe, and share it with someone who wants to eat healthier. Thanks for watching.